Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Bioinformatics with Vaishnavi. If you are a biotechnology or a life science student and keep hearing the term bioinformatics but don't really understand what it actually is, then this video is just for you. In this video, I will explain what is bioinformatics, why it is important, and who should learn it in a very simple way. Before moving ahead to the topic, let me introduce myself. I am Vaishnavi, a biotechnology graduate working in bioinformatics in India. On this channel, I simplify bioinformatics for you. Let's dive into the topic directly. So, what is bioinformatics? Basically, bioinformatics is something where biology meets computer. In a very simple words, bioinformatics uses computer and softwares to analyze biological data. Today, biology generates a huge amount of data. It can be a DNA sequences, RNA data, protein data. It is impossible to analyze this data manually, and that's why where bioinformatics comes in. Let me give you a very short and simple example. Imagine you have a DNA sequences from a thousands of samples. You cannot read them one by one, right? Bioinformatics tools helps us process, analyze, and understand this data efficiently. Nowadays, the data generation has been so fast that it generates GBs and TBs of data which is impossible to analyze without computers. So why do we need bioinformatics, right? क्या जरूरत है बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स की? पहले भी बिना बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स के सब कुछ होता था. So earlier the biology is mostly wet lab based. But now, with technologies like next generation sequencing, NGS, data generation has become very fast. For example, whole genome sequencing, RNA sequencing, metagenome, cancer genomics, all these techniques produces GBs and TBs of data. And bioinformatics helps us to analyze DNA and RNA sequences, identify genes and mutations, study diseases, discover drugs, and understand microbes and their evolution. So, where this bioinformatics is used? So, in the real time applications, if I talk about medical research, where cancer and genetic disorders can be easily identified by the help of bioinformatics. Drug discovery for vaccine development, agriculture for crop improvement, microbiology and metagenomics for understanding the ecology, personalized medicines, even in COVID-19. Genome analysis was done using bioinformatics. So, coming to who should learn it, and so bioinformatics perfect for biotechnology students, life science students, microbiology and genetic students, anyone interested in biology and technology. You do not need to be a computer science student to start. Even I started as a biotechnology student and slowly learned the acquired skills. And most of the people asked me, is bioinformatics hard? Many students think bioinformatics is very hard. Honestly, it is not hard, but it requires consistency. You need to learn basic biology concepts, Linux and command line, bioinformatics tools, some data analysis skills. If you learn step by step, anyone can do it. If I can do it, right? So, what this channel is about, give some time to me to explain it. So on this channel, Bioinformatics with Vaishnavi, I will share bioinformatics basics, career guides, Linux tutorials, NGS data analysis, project-based learning, research and internship guidance. Everything explained in a simple and a practical way, especially for Indian students. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.